Welcome to this beginner's guide on App Store publishing. In this video, we'll explore why an Apple developer account is required to publish iOS apps. To publish an iOS app on the Apple App Store, you must have an Apple developer account. This account is vital, as it allows developers to build, test, and distribute apps within Apple's ecosystem. The Apple developer account is an official membership provided by Apple. It grants developers access to the necessary tools, resources, and services for building and distributing apps across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and other Apple devices. With an Apple developer account, you can access App Store Connect to upload and submit apps for review. You can also publish apps to millions of Apple users and manage updates and app versions. Apple provides TestFlight for beta testing. Developers can invite internal and external testers to test the app before the official release. This helps identify bugs and improve app performance. Apple requires certificates and provisioning profiles for security purposes. These elements help verify the developer's identity, secure app installation, and sign apps before distribution. After publishing an app, developers can utilize App Analytics to track downloads and user engagement. They can also monitor crash reports and other app performance metrics. The Apple Developer Program has a fee of $99 per year. In India, this is approximately 8,700 rupees per year. This membership is essential for publishing apps on the App Store. In conclusion, the Apple Developer Account is essential for publishing and maintaining apps on the Apple App Store. It provides access to publishing, testing, security, and analytics tools to improve your applications.